everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be doing our August Boxycharm. I just keep forgetting because of the virus and everything, obviously everything's coming a little bit later in the month, so for a second I thought it was September, but no, this is the August Boxycharm. We're going to be doing an unboxing and putting the products on the face, so hit subscribe, hit thumbs up, let's get into it. I do want to say I literally just got my second round of lip injections done yesterday, so my lips are extremely swollen. Like, I can't even, like, you know what I mean? I can't even really move them. I can't, like, really speak the right way. So you're obviously going to notice that in this video. Just ignore it. Like I said, I got them done literally yesterday, and they're looking pretty good. The swelling's gone down a lot. There's not really a lot of bruising, so I'm happy with it. They're going to look really good, I can tell. But okay, anyways. Spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, summer. Looks like we still have a summery theme, which is good to feel a little less depressed with everything that's going on. Let's just roll into it. I think we're going to start with the eyes because I saw that there's an eyeshadow palette and some eye brushes. So the eye brushes, this is the Morphe I Got This brush set for $12, and it has 4 eye brushes in it. I took a peek, but I didn't even realize that it was Morphe. So they come in a cute box, and I kind of like that they come like this rather than individually wrapped, because it just, like, when they're individually wrapped, they're kind of hard to get out, and it creates a lot of packaging, and this is just super easy, so I like the packaging. So we've got a more dense blending brush, a really good, like, normal blending brush for the crease. I love how I don't know what the names are supposed to be for anything. I just call them what they look like. This is a flat brush, which I will usually use either to cut the crease with concealer, or I'll use it up here. I'll use it to go, like, hey.
Hi. Do you have tape at your house?
Like, what kind?
You don't have regular tape?
I mean, you can cut the clear tape to make it smaller. What do you need it for?
Is it because I want to put it on my boobs? Because I have a bra.
I think
just, you know.
Sorry, my friend is coming to visit tonight, and she just called me to ask if I had tape for her. That was funny. I might have to leave part of that in there. Okay, anyways. Flat top brush. Sometimes I'll use it to clean up my concealer on my lips. I'll let her, I just touched my lip with it. This is an angled brush, usually for eyebrows. I don't really use eyebrow pomade anymore because my eyebrows are tattooed on. And yes, by the way, I just dyed my hair dark, so I'm going to be tattooing my eyebrows a lot darker on Tuesday. So these are very good quality. I'm really happy with how thin. I have a lot of Morphe brushes, but I guess I don't have whatever this line is because it feels different to me. And they're pointy on the end. And they're really small in the hand, which I like. I feel like it's easier to use. So I'm going to use those brushes to put on the eyeshadow, which is by Butter London, and it's called Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. 9-piece eyeshadow palette with highly versatile, cool-toned hues. Ooh. Create an array of looks with matte, shimmer, and metallic. This is $28. So far, 28 plus 12 is $38, $40. So far, we paid $25 for the box. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Oh my gosh, is that what the eyeshadows are going to look like? Are they marble? What? Oh my gosh, are they going to be marble? What? It opens up like a little booklet. Oh, they're not marble. Well, that was a scam. So it's super cute, though. It's got like a little mirror on one side. It says, "Looking good, darling," on the other side. Looking good, darling, on the other side. I don't know why the back shows them being marbled. Why is it doing that? I have no idea why. I don't know what the point was in having them marbled on the back. That's just, I can't really figure out how that makes sense to me. Oh. They're not actually marbled. It's pictures of broken eyeshadow. So it's the color, and then they broke it and took a picture of it. That took me a hot second to figure out. Okay, so I look at this, and I think it's really nice. Now, you guys know I never wear cool colors, and I'm going out tonight, so I'm a little scared to use this because I don't think cool colors necessarily look the best on me. But we're going to do it anyways for you guys. So I'm going to take the white brush, and I'm going to go in with Nigel, which is this creamy, perfect transition shade. It's a little light. And I'm going to get that. This brush is not the softest brush in the world, I'll tell you that. It's a, it's pretty, it's a little coarse. She's a little coarse. But gets the job done, doesn't hurt or anything like that. Again, I think I'm going to mix Nigel with Simon. I like how they're names. I like that. Simon is a taupe, like a neutral taupe. And the reason I'm mixing them is because I have a little bit of a tan, so you really can't see Nigel on me as much. So I'm going to mix him with Simon. So far, so good. I really didn't want to wear eyeshadow tonight. It's one of, like, that's one of the first world struggles of being a YouTuber, is that when you film a video on a day that you're actually doing something, you have to, like, wear that look out, because I'm not going to take it off and start over. And obviously that's a first world problem, but it, you know, it's something that you wouldn't run along that issue if you weren't a YouTuber, you know what I mean? Okay, so that looks really good, pigmented, soft, but the shades are super light, so it's not like I'd really be able to tell if there was an error in the formula anyways, so let's keep going. Freddie is like a really pretty, like, blue, but I don't see that working into my look tonight because I don't know what I'm wearing tonight, so I'm going to be a little bit selfish. So I'm going to go in with Graham, which is a really, ooh, this I can tell the formula is really soft, a dark neutral brown, and I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm taking it on that more dense brush, and I'm just going to start circularly swirling that into the outer corner. God, it's pretty. Yes. Oh, it looked good. My phone blown up. Don't ruin my audio. Hello. Okay. Oh my gosh. You know, back in the day, I had this thing where I would pack a dark color onto the lid and a little bit up here in the crease, and it used to give, like, a super cool cat eye effect, so I'm going to try to go for that. I haven't done it in so long, I almost can't even remember how I did it. But, so I just packed it into the crease, almost, like, angled up like eyeliner, and then I'm just putting a little bit in the crease on the outer corner. Did it do it? Did it work? I think it worked. And do the other side. I can't wear eyeliner because of my, this is so pigmented, you guys. Like, extremely pigmented. Like, it's nice. What brand is this? Butter London? This is really good. And I mean really good. And you guys know me, I'm not the greatest at blending eyeshadow, so if I can do it, anybody can do it. And a nice formula makes that 1,000 times easier. Sorry if my mouth is hanging open. Like, I can't even... Yesterday, I couldn't shut my lips at all. So they're healing way quicker. I think that my lips... I think when you get your lips done the second time, your body is a little bit more used to the trauma, so it doesn't react as much as it did the first time. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is looking absolutely beautiful. I think I'm just going to go in and even darken it up just a little bit because I'm going out tonight. Usually when I do a Boxycharm video, I don't go for the most bold look, but I want it. This actually look really good. So I want it. I want it. I want it that way. Sing the Lil Uzi song, not the original. Did you guys see how pathetic that was? I can't, like, because I can't blow, like, okay, anyways. Wow, these colors are actually really beautiful. I'm definitely going to do another look with this palette for you guys because I want to use Rupert. This dark blue and this light periwinkle Freddy are so pretty. And then there's Billy is something I think I could use. This is like a neutral brown shimmer. I might put a tiny bit of that on my lid. I'm going to take some of Billy and I'm going to put it above. I'm not going to mess up my little fake eyeliner eyeshadow. I'm going to put it above it, okay? But not so high that it's going to mess up the top crease shadow either. I'm just putting it in between, almost as if it was there before I did the darker eyeshadow. You know what I mean? Right in between. That's really pretty. Oh, you hear that thunder? It randomly started storming out of nowhere. Like, I don't remember seeing that on the schedule. And I have things to do, so it'd be great if that could stop. This is really pretty. It comes across, like, it reflects the light really well, so it looks a little bit lighter on the lid than it does in the pan, which is fine by me. It's actually stunning. Stunning. I feel like I can, like, does anybody else try, like, random accents sometimes, or is that just me? Or sometimes it just comes out, like, it just came out. Stunning. Okay. I'm going to go back in with the darker brown, which is Graham, and sweep some of that on the lower lash line. I hate doing this when I have lash extensions because obviously I'm getting it all up in my lash extensions. But usually if it's just eyeshadow getting in the lash extensions, you can cleanse that when you wash your lash extensions in the shower with soft soap. But things like eyeliner and mascara, you can't wear those because you have to actually scrub to get those off. But if it's eyeshadow, you can really just cleanse it off without doing much to your lash extensions. And I never wear makeup anymore, really. So my lash extensions like are living their best life because they never have to deal with anything. So I think I'll leave it at that, but I am going to take, I'll just use the angled brush for this. Normally you wouldn't, but when I do Boxycharm, you guys know I like to just use the brushes so that, you know, let's say you guys only have these brushes. I want you to be able to get the look I get with what you have. So I'm going to take this angled brush and Archie, which is a light highlight color, and I'm going to pop this in my inner corner. It's a super white highlight, which is sort of unique. Usually they are a little bit more cream colored. And to be honest with you, I like the white. Ow, that hurt. I like the white ones. Not my eye, my lips. I like the really white highlighters because they really look shiny and wet, which is what I like. Like, you see how good that looks in the inner corner? Woo, love it. I'm going to close that baby up. I will tell you, I'm a huge, huge fan of these brushes. I actually like that they're not ridiculously soft because sometimes I feel like that doesn't get the job done with blending. I love the shape of them because they're super easy to hold. I would 100% buy more of these. And I absolutely love this palette. And I wonder if they make, like, more of the same palette in different colors. I bet they do. It seems like the kind of thing they would do with this kind of looking palette. I really like that. Now, to finish off the eyes, we do have a brow pencil. I can't talk. The brow pencil. This is the Realher. Oh, I like that brand. Definer Brow Pencil. Realher is a brand I feel like I discovered like years ago, and I did a video for them. And now it's nice to see them gaining some traction. Micro tip pencil, $16. So let's open it up. Usually they give taupe colors in Boxycharm, obviously, because that's like the medium tone. But I need something darker now with my brows. So hopefully they like made a mistake and this will be dark because I need something dark. If not, I'll just go over it before I leave the house with a darker brown. Cute packaging. We do have a short spoolie on one side, color on the other side. It's definitely taupe, but it actually does look a little darker. What color is it? It's not telling me what color it is. No, it doesn't tell me what color, which is kind of strange. I wonder if they only make one color. It just looks like a normal... I mean, it is, no, I mean, it's taupe, but it looks a dark, like, yeah, that looks a little darker than the average taupe, right? Maybe I'm crazy. So I'm just going to take this. Oh, yes, that looks, like, pretty dark. Ah! What did I just do? Okay. The thing I really like about having dark hair is being able to do bold brows. That's something that you can't really do when you have blonde hair, and I miss it. Like, I miss when I used to have dark hair back in the day. I would fill my brows in so dark, and I'd carve them out with concealer, and they would just look so dramatic and good, but you can't really do that when you have blonde hair because it's just too much. I need to get my mirror a little bit closer to me. Okay. Very, very pigmented. I'm gonna have to wait, hold on. The one thing about the fact that I haven't filled my brows in forever is I'm not very good at it. Like, this one looks absolutely horrific. Okay, so I just got, like, really lucky because I realized the camera stopped recording, but thankfully, like, it was at an okay time. Like, I was just cleaning up my eyebrows. Like, thank God, because that would have really sucked if we missed all the eyeshadow. Like, I don't know how I would have redone that. What was I doing? I was going to show the next thing. Now I gotta keep looking at it and make sure it's still recording. So, we have a bronzer. Sorry, my lips get more swollen the more I talk, I feel like. I have an Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer for $24, so our total of the box is now at like $40, $56, $70, $86, $90, which is great. I'm excited for our bronzer. I feel like we never get bronzers in Boxycharm, and I love me a good bronzer. I'm struggling. Oh my gosh. Beautiful little package. And, oh, well, that looks a little bit more like a contour for a very pale person than a bronzer for me, or anyone darker than me. Okay, it's a very neutral bronzer, which I guess, you know, is a good thing. I'm a little scared, though, because it's so light. I mean, it'll be nice to have when I'm more pale. Like, oh, I'm gonna put it on. I really hope it's not, like, scared. Did it do anything? Did it even, I don't know. It's very soft and nice, feeling. It might just not be doing much because I'm a little bit more tan than this right now. I mean, I shouldn't be sleeping on it so hard because it does have a nice tone to it. Like, I like a warm bronzer, but sometimes it's actually nice to have something like this because you're giving your face color without necessarily giving it, like, a harsh tone. I think it did add a little bit of shadow to my face, which is nice. The formula is amazing, actually. This is crazy because this is actually one of my favorite Boxycharms. Like, this is something I would 100% repurchase too, and I would get a different shade. Like, the quality of this is so good. It's so smooth. It's not going on patchy or anything. This would be a really good contour shade for a really pale person. So if any of you guys are really pale, you have to let me know that would be a really good contour shade. It's a little bit too light for me right now, but the quality of it is fantastic. So I am happy that we got that because it exposed me to something that I definitely want in a different color. The last product that we have is a Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer, $54. So now we're at about $200 for the box that we paid $25 for. Omega Rich Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil that helps calm irritation, relieve redness, and optimize the skin barrier's defenses. Sorry, I cannot talk with these lips. Comes in a super cute green package. It's huge. And it's moisturizing, and that's all I really care about because I love me a moisturizer because I have such dry skin. So it wants you to clean your face and then apply this to your face and neck morning or night as a part of your skincare regimen. It does have a seal on it. Oh, the seal just kind of pops off though, so let me smell it. Wait. Ooh, it's green. Oh, it's a really cute, pretty green. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's kind of washed out. It smells like absolutely nothing, which I like in a skincare. So super excited for that. And that's it. I think this is the best box that we've gotten in a whole year and a half. I'm not kidding. Sorry, my phone is like being crazy. Yeah, so I'm extremely happy with this box. Like happier than I've been with a box in a couple years. I'm not kidding. I love every single piece about this box. And I love them like all the way up here, not just so. Like I absolutely am in love with every single product. This is exactly how I want to feel when I open a Boxycharm. So that's great. I think I'm going to do a separate video. I have some like I'm like the worst Boxycharm rep because like they sent me some other stuff. I don't know if it's from like the Luxe box or like I don't know what, or if it's like other options that could come in here. I'm not sure, but I think I'll film a separate video on that. So let me know if you want to see that. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. I just get the box. You feel me? Please give this video a thumbs up. Please hit subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'm excited. Oh, I gotta put mascara on my bottom lashes. Don't let me forget before I leave. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate every single one of you. I'll talk to you down below. Bye.